Hello guys, this is How to Socials and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own YouTube channel. It's really easy and it shouldn't take a lot of time, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. What you need to do once you're on youtube.com is go over on the right side of your screen right here and press on the sign in button. Here I'm going to use another account because I want to create my own account. Just click on create account right here on the blue writing. Here you are going to choose for myself. Now that you're here, you should enter your details like first name, last name, email address, and the password, or you can also at this step create a whole new Gmail address for that YouTube channel that you want to create. I'm going to fill in these details and be right back with you. Once you've done that, it's going to ask for your phone number, a recovery email address, your birthday, your gender, and you also need to fill those up too. Once you fill those up, all you need to do is just read the privacy and terms, scroll down, just agree with them, and then click on create account, then confirm. Once you confirmed, your account should be created, as you can see right here, and I have my account. Once you're on your YouTube account, you can go here on your profile icon, click on YouTube Studio, and as you can see right here, I'm just going to click on create channel with the name that I want. Once I'm here, I can upload videos or see my channel analytics, news, YouTube known issues, what's new in studio, my content, my playlists, my analytics, comments, subtitles, copyright, monetization, customization, and audio library, and just a bunch of options. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next one. Cheers!